video we have a 336 Marlin that previously we had put a new butt pad on, and this is also missing a Marlin Bullseye, we'll call it, which falls out of many of these Marlins. So in this video we're going to go ahead and see if we can install one of these back into this gun. Clunk. Okay, so there's a little bit of extra glue in here. We're going to clean that up a little bit. Have a chisel here. I'm just going to gently scrape that a little bit. Being careful not to cut the outside of this hole any bigger. Seems like about 50% of these I get into the shop, this little Bullseye is missing. A little bit of a flange on that end. I'm going to file off. I can tell it's one we used for the chalk on the last job. It's very handy to have an air hose close to your workbench. Alright, that actually fits quite nice. I want to be careful when I pull this back out that we don't pop up any chips of wood. I'm going to use a if I can still get it out, I'm going to use a medium weight CA glue, and it's going to be important that we try to keep this in the hole and not on the wood. This is a CA glue designed for wood. It'll also work on this plastic. Make sure the vise is tight. Alright. Wipe off any extra here. I also have an accelerator here I'm going to use that will basically instantly set that CA glue when it hits it. It smells good too. Next, I'm going to cut this off with a flush cutting saw. Going to put a little bit of tape on here so we don't scratch it. Next, going to put this 2 layers. This is a pull saw, a dowel cutting pull saw. We're still going to be very careful not to cut our wood. So we're going to go really slow. There. We're going to save the other part of this. It's probably enough to do 2 of these. Okay. So we're going to slowly cut on this with a knife. Got a little Swiss-made chisel here. Wanted something I could get a little more control over. So I put a fresh new blade in here. Try to make sure we maintain a little bit of shape of the wood. This is rounded. Everybody's gonna start looking at these right now, including myself. Trying to keep the file mostly on the plastic. See, I'm just starting to get into the masking tape a little bit there. These are really great if you're finishing the stock, because then you can sand it all nice and flush. Okay, that's like a little hair. Just turn the edge up so I'm not cutting the wood, just the plastic. Well, there, we're gonna clean it up a little bit and wrap this video up. And there you go.